Flack math! Give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Flack math!
This is Algebra 2. This is 18 through 20.
Oh, it just.
Or 19 through 20.
What the heck is this?
Okay, so 19, we're finding the standard deviation.
Wait, is this Algebra 2?
This is
No
Algebra
spoilers!
2.
No spoilers!
Okay. So range equals the biggest number minus the smallest number. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Boom, you're done.
8.
Girls. Hi.
Where are you?
Okay, so standard deviation is awesome. Okay.
I remember.
So here's how we do it. Standard deviation looks like this.
Do you have it?
Square root of the mean. First we have to find the mean. Find the mean, so what is that? 30 divided by 5 is 6. So the mean is 6. So to find the mean, you add them up and you divide by 5, right? So that's the mean, right? Did I get that right? 10 plus 10 plus 10, yep.
It's very.
So 6. So we're subtracting the first one minus the mean. So 2 minus 6, parentheses squared, plus 4 minus 6, parentheses squared, plus 6 minus 6, parentheses squared, plus 8 minus 6, parentheses squared, plus 10 minus 6, parentheses squared, all over the number of numbers, which is 6.
There you go.
So this equals 4 squared plus negative 2 squared
Yeah, I know.
plus 0 plus 2 squared plus 4 squared, all divided by 6. So that's the square root of 16 plus 4 plus 4 plus 16, all divided by 6. So that's 20 plus 20 is 40,
Are you?
divided by 6.
Have you ever seen
So 40 divided by 6 is 6 2/3. Let's do that. Divide 2 out of both of them and you get square root of 20 over 3, which gives you, what is that? Somebody want to do that for me real quick? 20 divided by 3 and then square root it.
Happy morning. Ditzy? I'm smart. Thank you very much.
44.44.
I'm
What I
not
got?
ditzy.
Wait, square root it. Sorry, not square it. I'm an
Did you
idiot.
say tits?
Well,
No.
so 20 divided by 3,
Uh-huh.
so you should get like 6.
6.6.
6.6, or so now square root that. What do you get? So 20 divided by 3 and then square root it.
No. I don't have a square root. My
Square root.
calculator. I have to do it manually.
All right, let me.
2.6.
2.6-ish. All right, thank you, Maddie. All right, so that's the approximate standard deviation. That's number 19. Number 20, use Kramer's rule to do this. Kramer's rule.
Hi.
I need to remember how to write it out.
Football players makes it faster.
Kramer's rule. I'm going to make this extra credit if you do it. Kramer's rule.
If I do it, do I get extra?
Not if you do it, no. So Kramer's rule is
It's okay.
this. Let's do this. It's a little backwards. Hold, please.
Oh my gosh, why would you do that? That makes me so soft. Don't my shoes. I need to wash them.
So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do it. It'll still be extra credit if you do it Kramer's rule.
I want to see it.
If you can show me that you're cool.
My name and your phone is equal.
What do you want me to change it
Just Kate. No. Kate Bolton.
Okay, so
Jessica
X
was married to Troy Bolton. Because he
equals
wanted so much to be able to say
the
that.
determinant of this matrix of -1
My name was going to be Allison.
over 3 and 3 over 5, all over your coefficient matrix, which is 4, 2, 3, 5. And then your y value is your other matrix, which is straight 4, 2 over negative 4, 2, and then negative 1, 3, all over that coefficient matrix. Okay, find the determinant. Negative 5 minus 9 is negative 14, divided by 20 minus 6, which is 14. So x equals negative 1. So y is 12 minus negative 2, which is negative 14.
Why would you do that?
Also over 14, so that equals negative 1. So both of these equal negative 1. So Kramer's rule is tough to remember and to set up maybe, but it gets it done quick. It's nice. All right, that's it. Let me just check that answer. Just checking. 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 Almost done. Almost there. Oh, that's wrong. It's wrong.
Oh my gosh.
So that's a positive 14. Oh, shoot. It's a positive 14. 12 minus negative 2 is 12 plus 2, which is 14 over 14. So y is positive 1. So your answer is x equals negative 1, y equals 1. That's it. Good job. Good catch. Okay, bye.
Flack math. Give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Flack math.